Hello, this is Michelle GeoMattix introducing our latest training video course in the ArcGIS workflow series entitled Excel Data to GIS Feature Class. We've put together a good course here that I think you'll enjoy. It's short, it's just over 1 hour in length, and it's made up of 3 parts. In the first part, we go through the workflow of bringing Excel data into your GIS and creating a GIS feature class from it. And we talk about Excel data, what you can and cannot do with it in ArcGIS. And we look at the basics of Excel, some basic terminology and data formats, and how to work with worksheets. And then in part 2, we prepare ArcMap to plot Excel points. So we'll go over coordinate systems for people who may not be familiar with geographic and projected coordinate systems. We'll go through the process of defining the proper coordinate system for the data frame, adding reference data, and then adding the Excel table, displaying the XY data, and exporting that data into a new GIS feature class. Finally, in part 3, I've identified 3 basic problems that you're likely to encounter when working with Excel data in ArcGIS. So we'll go through those in detail and look at how to solve those problems. In the process, you'll learn a lot of tips and tricks and learn a few conversion tools along the way. Let's take a look here at a demonstration from the course that shows the basic workflow. I'm in ArcMap. I have loaded an Esri ArcGIS Online base map, which is the topo base map. And I'll just come over to Arc Catalog, and you can see I have several Excel spreadsheets here. I want to add a campgrounds spreadsheet. So I'll expand the spreadsheet to reveal the worksheet, and I'll add it to ArcMap. And I don't see anything in the display area because there's no spatial data to display. But I do see the table appear in the List by Source tab of the table of contents. So I'll just right click, Display XY Data, set up the X and Y coordinates, and make sure that my coordinate system is the right one. We'll talk about all of this in this course, and let's see what happens. So it looks like everything's clustered over here in California, which is good. And I have several points here that represent campgrounds in California. I have an events layer that's been added, which I can open up, and you can see all of the different attributes that have come across from the Excel spreadsheet. And that's what we'll be looking at how to do in this course.